Your videos aren't failing. YouTube just doesn't trust you yet. And until that changes, it doesn't matter how good your content is because YouTube doesn't promote videos, it promotes predictability. Most creators think growth comes down to thumbnails or titles or getting lucky with one viral video, so they keep changing everything. New niche, new style, new strategy every week, but nothing sticks. Because that's not how YouTube works. Before YouTube pushes your videos, it asks one simple question. Can I trust this channel? And that trust doesn't start with your videos, it starts with you. Before your content even gets tested, YouTube is already reading signals from your account. Like, how long have you been on the platform? Do you actually use YouTube or just upload and leave? Do you watch videos, interact, behave like a real user? I bet you do. But then there's verification, phone number, which is part of advanced verification like ID or a short video check. Most people don't take this serious, but these aren't just random settings. They help YouTube understand one thing. This is a real person, not a bot, not spam, and over time, that matters. An account that's been active for months, that behaves normally, that's verified, already has a different level of baseline trust compared to a brand new account uploading randomly. And understand this, you can't expect YouTube to trust your channel if your account itself doesn't look trustworthy. But even with that, that's just only the first layer, because once you start uploading, the real test begins. Every time you upload, YouTube is testing you, not just your video, your consistency. It shows your content to a small group of people, and it watches. Do they click? Do they stay? Do they come back? If the answer is inconsistent, YouTube pulls back. You upload one video, it does okay, next one completely flops, then another slightly better. Your channel has no pattern, so from YouTube's perspective, you're unpredictable. And YouTube doesn't push unpredictable. It pushes what it understands. This is the part most people don't realize. YouTube is not trying to find good videos, it's trying to find reliable creators. Creators who deliver the same value to the same audience, again and again. And once YouTube understands you, everything changes. Your videos stop feeling random. Impressions become consistent. Growth starts stacking. So building trust isn't one thing, it's layers. First, you show you're real, active account, verified, actually using the platform. Then you show you're reliable, clear niche, consistent content, same audience, same value. That combination is what makes YouTube start paying attention. And at first, nothing happens. No big spike, no viral moment, just quiet uploads. But underneath that, YouTube is learning you. And once that trust is built, you stop chasing views. Because now, YouTube starts bringing them to you. And if you want to understand why some channels grow fast while others stay stuck for years, subscribe to get the next video.